and welcome back to Gapeys Grub. Today we're in the greenhouse because the sun is shining and the light is just really great here in the greenhouse. So today I wanted to show you a quick video of what I got in the mail today. Every year I've been hosting a seed swap over on a gardening channel on MeWe called Bella Gardens. And every year I get lots of seeds, and occasionally somebody will also send me a surprise. So this year Charles P, who's in the seed swap, sent me a package, and I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. Alright, here we go. So we've got lots of seeds here, so there's 15 people in the seed swap. So this time everybody is going to be getting a banana melon. So I've never heard of that melon. So everybody, that's what's coming your way from Charles P. So we've also got in here some chili powders. So we've got a Decadent Mountain. This one has some things other than chilies in it. It's got some cocoa, Vietnamese cinnamon, ginger, honey, and vanilla. So that sounds pretty exciting. That sounds like it would be really good on a dessert. And then we've also got a hot chili powder that just has various pepper products in it. And let's see, we've also got a hot sauce, it looks like. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this one looks exciting. So this is a sweet ghost pepper. So this one is, I don't know if you, let's see if we can get a better look at that. So you can see all of the stuff that's inside there. We've got lots of seeds, and it's kind of more of a chunky sauce, it looks like. So this is a sweet and hot sauce, it says. So we've got distilled water, sugar, white vinegar, red peppers, fresh garlic, salt, xanthan gum, and ghost pepper powder. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. He's got some really neat labels on this too. So I'm not sure if he sells his hot sauce or not. Oh, actually it says it's from Mikey VS Food. So I'm not sure if this is actually one of his hot sauces or not. But I guess you can buy this from Mikey V's Foods. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks Charles P for the awesome package. And I'll be sending out the seeds to those that are in the seed swap here pretty soon once I get a couple more. Hey, I'm back, and I wanted to give a quick update on the pepper powders that I got from Charles. So these are actually from Dave at Grown at Home in West Virginia. And I've had some of his pepper powders before, but not these particular blends, so I'm looking forward to giving these a try. He has some really great powders, and you can buy them online as well. So this one with the various peppers is called Crimson Blaze, and then the other one, the dessert one, is called Decadent Mountain. Hello, I am back again because I got another package from one of my seed swappers, and they put in some surprises in here for me, so I thought I would show you what's in this one. So this came from Togarashi. He is in Hawaii, and he's been a member of our seed swaps for a few years now. But he gave me a little bag of chili oil, and this is a macadamia nut chili oil. So that should be pretty exciting. I've been wanting to make chili oil myself for quite a while, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then we've also got some powder here, and I'm not sure what kind of powder this is. I did take a little sniff. It smells kind of smoky, so I'm not sure if it's a smoked pepper powder or if it's just the types of peppers that he used that make it smell kind of smoky, but it smells really good. And then lastly, we've got this little container here, and this is another little container of chili powders. It doesn't say what kind of chilies are in it, but it says Nanami Togarashi. So that looks like a fun chili powder there. So I haven't opened this one yet. And while I'm here, I figured, I know everybody likes to see tastings, so I decided to go ahead and bring this Mikey V's that I got from Charles and give it a little taste while I'm back. So I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So this is a sweet pepper sauce. And it did say on here that it's good on softened cream cheese, on ribs, chicken, burgers, tacos, seafood, pork, hot wings, and Asian food. So as soon as I saw this, I thought this looked like a really good one for Asian food. So let's see how it tastes. So I've got me a little spoon here. I have no idea how hot it is. It says it's hot, but there's no Scoville rating or anything on it. So we'll just show you here. Oop. Try not to spill it. So hopefully I won't regret that much. See if you can see that. It's definitely sweet. And there is a lot of seeds in this sauce, which I'm not usually a fan of unless they're really blended up good. I wouldn't have guessed this is a ghost pepper sauce because it's not really, I mean there's some spice, but it's not like super hot. But it is good. But yeah, definitely I think it would go good on Asian food. I usually use hot sauce on eggs in the morning, but I'm not sure this one would be a good one for that purpose. But I'll definitely try this on maybe some seafood or Asian food. So thanks Charles and Togarashi for the great gifts. If you're interested in the seed swap, it's only for MeWe members of the Bella Gardens group. So if you're not on MeWe, that's the only way to join this particular seed swap that I host every year. So this year's entries are all closed, and I just actually sent out the seeds to everyone today. So if you want to join in next year's seed swap, check out the MeWe group, and I'll be taking sign-ups probably in October. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.